recreated one of my favorite Met Gala ball looks done on Josephine Skriver. She's a Victoria's Secret angel and she looked absolutely amazing. I'll show some photos up on the screen now. Grace Lee Beauty did her makeup and Glam for hair did her hair, and she looked beautiful. Like, I cannot even explain. Hands down one of my favorite looks. So this is my version of the look. If I had a flower crown and the gold earrings, I think we could have nailed it, but this is what I came up with. Alright, so have you guys super zoomed in? I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Concealer in the shade 10 Fair. I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow base today. Alrighty. Now with my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that all out. Alrighty, now taking my RCMA No Color Powder, I'm just going to set that. These photos of Josephine, it looks like she has something warm kind of in her crease and then blown out pink. She also has kind of like a mauve kind of purple as a wing liner and on the bottom. I'm going to take my Morphe 9B blush palette. Take this colour here. I'm just going to pop that in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this red shade and just in the same area. Now I'm going to take this vibrant colour and I'm just going to kind of pack this all over. Now you might be thinking, what was the point of putting those two down? But it's just going to show some warmth through. I'm just going to take the NYX Baked blush. This is in the shade Spanish Rose. I'm just going to take that on my finger and just pop that on the lid. The look looks mostly matte, but then in some lights it is a bit shimmery, so I just want to put a light kind of rosy sheen down. And over the top of that, I'm going to take my Ofra Cosmetics and Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter. This is Cloud 9. I'm going to take the same just on my finger. Now this is super pigmented, so I don't want to put too much. And just in that same area. And again, this is just going to make it reflect a little bit in light. Morphe 39A palette, this massive one. I'm going to take this shade and this shade mixed together. It's going to work as our liner. What I can see from the images is that she has a very tiny little wing. I'm gonna pick that on the other side. It's a little baby wing. Okay, I'm gonna pop off some lashes. These are the Model Rock 207s. They're just super light, it's just some fluffy lashes, nothing too crazy. as in the photos, it doesn't seem like she has a lot on. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of mascara. I'm just using my Maybelline Define-A-Lash. I used this in my last video. Alrighty, now for my base, I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and pop it on my face. Taking my Elio Pro Coverage Foundation, this is in the shade Fair. Just going to use my beauty blender and pop that all over. And I love this foundation because it's super lightweight and it's not too full coverage. Alrighty, taking that same concealer that we took for an eyeshadow base, the 10 Fair in the Master Conceal. And take this into the eyes. Take some on this beauty over here. And with my beauty blender, just blending that out. And just being careful not to disturb that wing. Alright, now I'm going to bake using my RCMA No Colour Powder. Alrighty, and I'm going to set the rest of my face using that same powder. I'm just lightly going over. I want to really set around the perimeter of the face as that's where we're going to put the pink. And we don't want it to get any blotchiness. Alrighty, taking that NYX Baked blush again in the shade Spanish Rose. I'm just going to, on a big brush, go around the outsides of my face. Now this is like the base to the pink, so I want to build it up so it doesn't go very blotchy very quickly. Okay, now we're going to build it up a bit, so I'm going to take the peachy and a bit more of a pink. Now don't worry about if you fluff up your brow, just because I am doing that purposely last. Now I'm taking that vibrant colour. Now with my Morphe James Charles palette, I'm going to take a mix of this purple and this pink and even the darker pink just in my crease just to deepen those tones. I'm going to set the perimeters of my face with my Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist. And I'm going to take that Ofra pink highlight again. Take the Nikki Tutorials Cloud 9 Ofra collab. I'm just gonna put that right on the highest points again. She was super glowy, which I loved. I'm just going to take my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm just going to go around the pink, as she did have kind of a warmer complexion. I'm just going to go around my nose. James Charles palette, I'm just going to take these two shades. Alrighty, now for her deep red lip, I'm going to take the Designer Blood Lipstick from Jeffree Star. I'm fairly sure her lips are matte, but I'm just going to add a tiny bit of a gloss. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this shade at the bottom on my lower lash line. And this is the finished look. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep up to date with my content. Also leave a comment down below if there's anything you want to see, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll also leave my social media links down below, and all the products that I used will be in the description box. Thanks guys. I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone for all the love on my last video. It's been super motivating to receive all your feedback and all the lovely comments, so thank you so much.